Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing. And you guessed it, I'm here at Dolphin Mall, Miami, Florida, because that's where my boy Sammy's at Sam Ash. And I got this ProFX10 version 3 10-channel professional effects mixer with USB. Everyone's been talking about it, so I had to buy it. It comes with Pro Tools first and Waveform OEM professional software included. Probably the basic editions or the demo editions, but it has 10 effects, GigFX engine. It includes all this. This is what the side looks like. Oh, it's opened already. I cut off the tape so it could be easier for me because I'm one-handed. I'm not in the studio today, at home, so. There's the USB cable. I think it's regular USB. Sorry about that, guys. The regular adapter. Nice. I actually like this adapter. It looks pretty nice. I think this is for the moisture. Yuck. And let's get with the bad boy. There's the USB cable port right there. This is the power switch. This is the where you connect the adapter. This is the sides. Here's the effects knobs. And this is the VU meter to tell you if you're clipping. This is where you connect your speakers to, PA system. Here's where you would connect. You have your channels right here, 10 channels. You have 24 effects with FX mute. And then you just switch through the effects there. FX control room. Basically, you have everything. This is, legit. We got phono right there and XLR. It's a combo, just like the modern ones. This one's just regular XLR. This is phono. Here's mute buttons. But anyways, guys, there's really not much. No instruction manual, nothing. The instruction manuals, you can get it at their website. It has nice little legs made out of rubber. I like that. This is legendary sound, it says on the box, and I was like, oh wow. It is what it is. Anyways, guys, it has for the control room, FX sound, the headphones go there. foot switch, which I don't need because I'm going to be using this for DJing. Other than that, I'm going to be connecting I'll be connecting my Pioneer controller. And yeah, that's basically about it. There's really not much to say. Oh, I have this button right here to phones or CR. Finally, I got myself a live audio board, you know. But yeah, I'll probably get something better later in the future. But as for now, this is good enough. And oh yeah, I got the XLR cable also. I didn't really want to show you guys because, you know, everyone knows what an XLR cable is, but it's from this random company. Anyways, guys, that's really much the unboxing. I'm at the bar, so I'm gonna have to let you go. See you in the next unboxing, and always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.